Hi, my name is Adam, and let me welcome you to our Twain floor plan. Available at Canvas and Vista Pointe within Heritage Valley. At the front, your own private patio, and at the back, an attached 2-car tandem garage. The foyer has plenty of space to welcome all of your guests, and this is your front seat to the great ones making history. Breakfast is served at the seating bar, and good times are celebrated. A half bath completes the main floor, and let's take a look upstairs. The master bedroom, your oasis. Here is where you will relax and recharge, and probably hit the snooze button a few times. Completing the master is your ensuite with a large walk-in shower. On to the second master bedroom. The perfect place for guests to stay, maybe an office, or perhaps for a little bundle of joy. This completes our tour. Please give us a call to see this home for yourself.